How to connect Polk Magnifi Mini to TV. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your Polk Magnifi Mini soundbar to your TV the wired way. Whether you're using HDMI ARC, optical or Bluetooth, this guide will help you get it done in just a couple of minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. HDMI ARC setup. First, let's use the HDMI method, which gives us the best sound quality and control. Check if your TV has an HDMI port labeled the ARC. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the TV's ARC port and the other end to the HDMI ARC port on your Polk Magnifi Mini. On your TV, go to Settings, Audio. Enable HDMI CEC. Then set the audio output to HDMI ARC or external speakers. Then power on both devices. You should hear audio from the soundbar now. Step 2. Optical cable setup. If your TV doesn't support ARC, no worries. You can use an optical cable instead. Plug one end of the optical cable into TV's optical out port. Plug the other end into the optical in port on the soundbar. On your TV, change the audio output to optical or digital out. Set the format to PCM if there is no sound. Step 3. Bluetooth connection for music only. Want to stream music from your TV? Use Bluetooth. But note, it might lag for movies. Press the Bluetooth button on your remote of soundbar until the LED starts blinking. Then, go to your TV's Bluetooth settings and select Polk Magnifi Mini to pair. And that's it. This was the step-by-step tutorial on how to connect your Polk Magnifi Mini to your TV. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.